Hello, everybody. It's Susan, and today I'm going to take you on a refresher of Screencastify. Yeah, it's been a while. I know some of you haven't used Screencastify in a few months, so you're thinking, oh goodness, what did I do? So let's do a little quick refresher, and I think it'll all come back to you and all will be good. So if you take a look at the screen, you can see that I have a screenshot because I'm going to be talking about Screencastify, but I'm using Screencastify, so I can't show you the beginning of the screens that we start, our start screens, so I had to take screenshots of those. So when we start in, you can see three different tabs. So the first tab is called Tab, and Tab has these same choices that you can use. You can embed your webcam. You can show a preview window, and what that does, it shows you a picture of your screen and you, so you can see what it looks like. So whatever you're most comfortable with. The second choice is Desktop, and Desktop is one that I use the most because I go from screen to screen a lot. With the tab, you have to stay on the same web page. You cannot move around because it will not work. But with the desktop, I can go here, and then I can go back to here, and then if I want to show you another window, I can go here. So I use that a lot. And I can also click Embed Webcam, and you can see me. Or if you choose not to do that on your Screencastify, you can uncheck that. Now, we would like to see your face if you're doing a Screencastify for your e-learning day, so you might want to click that. If you just want your students just to see you and nothing on your desktop, you would click on Cam, and it has your same choices as well. And it's just a straight camera. You speak into it, and you do what you need to do, and then you hit stop, and you stop recording. So say I'm going to choose desktop, and I come down here and I hit record desktop, and then I would see this next screen because I have dual monitors. If you have a dual monitor, you will see this screen because these are the two things that are on my screen right now. If you don't have a dual monitor, you won't have to worry about this step. You'll go straight into your recording process. So I would say, yes, I want screen one, and then I would hit share. And then from there, I would hear something, a voice say 3, 2, 1. And I would know I'm on deck. We're recording right now. So put on your best face. One of the things, once you're recording and you've finished your recording and you've talked about everything that you need to talk about, then you will hit end record. So you will go up here to this little film strip on your toolbar, and this is what it looks like. It's just a little film strip, and you'll click on that to start it, and you click on this to stop it. And it's all black when you first start, but then when you click it, it has the little red dot in it. Then when you click it again, it turns black, and you're done. Once you've finished your recording, so I've hit done, I'm going to stop it, this screen will pop up. Let me open one here. Hello, this is Susan, and welcome to today. There I am again. And this will allow you to decide what you're going to do with it. We have a free version, so that means that we don't have any cropping tools. So it will open, but it won't do anything. So what we have are choices. We can download it, we can save it to a disk, we can download it. We can share it, which is what I usually do. I want to show you that. I usually pick Google Drive, and then it's a shareable link. You actually can copy this link and it goes straight to your classroom, and you can choose which class you want to send it to. You also need to make sure that you are saving this properly. Right now I have it set on anyone can find and view the video. That is not the default. The default is private. So make sure that you watch those 3 dots, make sure that you save it to whatever you want. You can have it public, or you can have it public at msdmartinsville.org. And that means the person has to have the link to your Screencastify in order to view it. So if you're most comfortable with that, go ahead and choose that option. If you're like me, sometimes I forget something, or I totally mess up, or I've got that Hoosier twang that I think I could do that a little better. I use this delete button, and that delete button allows everything to be free and clear, and I start all over again. I'm going to take you back then to this main page. Once you have decided that you're going to keep it, then everything comes back to this main page. And you can open up your recording. Hello, and it will allow you, and welcome to today again. It will allow you to change the name of your recording. It will come up with the time and a few numbers, so you can click on that and you can rename that. And then it goes into this repository in Screencastify within the app. But one of the best things about Screencastify is that it also saves in a folder in your Google Drive. So if you open your Google Drive, and you can look around here, so I'm going to go to Drive, and I will find my Screencastify folder. And there's my Screencastify. I'm just going to look for this. And it automatically opens up. And I can also look alphabetically. Whoops, I'm already in Intel here. No wonder I'm not finding it. But I can also find it when I look alphabetically. So if I just look down my page here, I will find Screencastify. And then once I open that up, it's moving. Once I open that up, here it is. Once I open it up, then all of my Screencastify folders and all of my videos are in here. You can see some that aren't mine. So I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please let me know and we'll work it out. I know you've got this anyway. Good luck.